Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as promised in my previous Dior Beauty recent haul, I'm going to do a quick video here to share with you guys my first impressions, try-on swatches, everything you need to know about the new formulation of the iconic Rouge Dior lipsticks. I have two of them to share with you guys. I'm going to go into a lot of nitty-gritty and detail about these little items. I'm also going to share with you guys my Dior loyalty, a silver welcome gift, in case you're curious about what that is. So stay tuned if you want to see all of these things. If you are new here, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, and in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, a little bit of luxury, and reselling as well. So if those kind of things sound interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked below, and please also consider hitting that subscribe button. If you are returning, thank you so much for watching another one. Alright guys, so I'm here again in my bathroom next to this little vanity setup here with my makeup mirror so I can do full try-ons, first impressions, get into the details of the new Rouge Dior lipsticks. But before I do that, I want to quickly share with you guys what I got basically sent to me as a freebie. So if you haven't heard, Dior has an amazing loyalty program for their beauty. So if you spend so much money and have certain criteria you have to hit in terms of number of purchases, you can move up the tiers of their loyalty program. So I am pretty new to the loyalty program. I have always purchased Dior products, not just their handbags, shoes, and jewelry, which I mostly love, but also their beauty products I really enjoy. But in the past, I picked them up just from various different vendors and retailers, mostly from Sephora. So then when I started hearing more about the loyalty program from all of you out there on a lot of YouTube videos, Instagram, I said, well, you know, I maybe want to check out this because I spent a lot of money on their products. If I can get some freebies, I'm all about that. So in my last video, that was my Dior beauty haul, I did share with you guys the huge vanity freebie that I got, which was amazing. And then you also get different freebies as well when you make your purchases. But as you move up the tiers in the loyalty program, they send you extra gifts too. So just as a tip, I don't believe they send it automatically. You have to go on the website and order it. There's no charge, there's no shipping charge as well, in case you're wondering, but it ships as a separate package. That's how I got this. But you need to actually order it. Otherwise, I don't think it'll come to you automatically. So make sure you go and check out the site once you hit that new tier and order your free welcome gift. So now I moved up to the silver status, and this is the silver gift. So let me quickly share with you guys. Again, this shipped just basically on its own for free once I ordered it. And it comes in this beautiful little pull type of a box here. I mean, that's so cute. Let me give that to my little daughter. I think she'll love it as a little purse. And then when you pull this out, let me share with you guys up close what's in here. All right, so here is what it looks like up close. Let me just open it up here. Okay, I mean, this is so cute. It comes with a little care booklet or a little info booklet, but it comes with 3 products here. So this is a little sampling of their iconic products. So it includes the Rouge Dior, which I will share with you guys. That's the whole topic of this video here, in 999, which is our iconic red shade. And then it comes with the beautiful rose serum, as you can see, and then the J'adore eau de parfum. So these are the 3 iconic items in their line, I would say. So I'm scared to break this, but this is the beautiful J'adore perfume. I've never tried this, so I'm excited to go ahead and give this a try. And then with this particular one, you just open it like this. I would say it's really pretty on first impressions, and you just can't get over this cute little bottle. I'm just gonna leave this on my vanity. And then it comes with their Rouge Dior lipstick, and that's the whole point of this video today, is to go over this. So this is, I believe, I'm not sure if this is the new or old formulation because the packaging is different from the new formulation. So I'm not gonna swatch this and do everything with that because I think this might not be the brand new formulation. If you know out there, let me know, but I think this is maybe the previous one. But this is their 999 shade, so it's super beautiful. It kind of almost matches my nails. But I love this iconic red. I don't wear reds too much at work. I think it's a little bit too bold, so I don't wear them too much, but I love them for special occasions. And then this is their really nice Dior Prestige Serum. I mean, look at how pretty that is. Then, oh, you just lift it up, and then there's like a little pump there. So this is a really nice added gift that you can get if you are silver status. All right, so let's get into the meat of this video. So I want to share with you guys the 2024 new formulation of the iconic Rouge Dior lipsticks. So I love this lipstick. I've had many different samples before, but I don't think I actually purchased it on my own just because I have so many lipsticks. I tend to gravitate more toward the Dior Lip Maximizer, their lip oil, those type of more subtle types of formulations. But it's time to get into this because I do love those samples of the Rouge Dior that I've gotten many times before. So I wanted to check the new formulation out. So I thought this was the perfect time. So in case you are wondering about this, in doing a little bit of research on Dior, I believe this is the first makeup product they launched in the 1950s. So it really is iconic for them. I will say that obviously, as a disclaimer, I am not a makeup expert. I am not. I am just a regular, everyday working mom who loves makeup, loves beauty, and I wear lip products every single day. That's my background. So if you want something more than that, feel free to skip out of the rest of this video, but I'm hoping that I can give you some true real life impressions of this from a non-makeup expert. So I thought that little bit of history was kind of fun, that this was their first makeup product. And I believe have probably revamped it over the years, but this year they decided to change it in several different ways. So there's a new formulation, there is new packaging, and there are also new shades being offered. So currently the Rouge Dior lipsticks, when they launched this year, are offered in either this velvet or matte finish or a satin or slightly shiny finish. So I picked up one from each so that I could try them out for you guys. Okay, so in terms of packaging, it's really sleek and pretty. Here you go, this is what it looks like. I picked up the two shades, so I picked up one velvet and one satin, as you can see here. I'm gonna take you through some of the details of the actual packaging first. So why don't we start with the velvet finish one first. So this one, again, I picked up in shade 505. It's called Sensual, and it's in the velvet line or their matte line. So as you can tell, the packaging is definitely different than before. It's really more sleek, I would say. It has a CD here, but it has their iconic print here. And here's what the bottom looks like. But I just love how elegant and streamlined this looks. I think it'll be perfect in your makeup bag. The other nice feature is this case is magnetic. So it just kind of goes down like that, which is really luxurious as well. And then this case is refillable. So once you're done with this, I believe you can just twist it out and then you can buy refills as well. So you don't have to buy the vessel again. And I love that because I always like to feel like it's easy to save a little bit of money when you purchase these luxury lipsticks. I honestly almost never go through a whole lipstick anyway, but if you want to change out the colors and don't want to buy the vessel again, it's pretty easy to do. Okay, so let me show you what the lipstick looks like up close. And it has a beautiful texture to it, and it says Dior on it, as you will see. So hopefully you can see that there. It says Dior, and it has the beautiful finish on it. Okay, so let me go ahead and maybe swatch this one, and then I will swatch the other one next. So this is the velvet finish. Let me show you a quick swatch on my hand. And first impressions are really nice. It just swatched so smoothly. Let me go ahead and show this to you guys. Okay, so here is the first swatch. I mean, pretty, right? It's a beautiful, I believe, more of a nudie type of a mauve-ish shade. So I thought that was really, really pretty. Let me show you the next one. So this is the satin finish. I got this in 720 or Icon. Again, here's the packaging. And let me pull this one out. The exterior obviously is the same as the velvet one with the magnetic case. And let me show you guys what this looks like. So this is really pretty as well, I believe. Yes, it also says Dior, but it doesn't have the texture on it. So this is the 720 Icon, or their rosewood shade. And just a fun fact, when I was looking into this lipstick a little more, I believe this was Christian Dior's favorite color, this rosewood color. I think it's really, really pretty. Okay, so let me go ahead and try to swatch this one for you next to the other one. And again, this goes on super smooth. So here is the 720 Icon, here's the 505 Velvet Sensual. So I don't know if you can tell, but there's a little bit more of a sheen to the satin one. They're pretty similar in shades, but this is more of the rosewood, this is more of a nude, I would say. So I don't know, I just gravitate really strongly to these kind of nudie, rosy, mauve-y types of shades, but I thought that was really pretty. That's what they look like swatched. Okay, so let me go ahead and try these on for you guys. You can see what they look like on. I have a little bit of my Dior Lip Maximizer on, which I'm gonna probably remove just to not affect how this goes on. Okay, so I removed it as much as possible. So let me maybe try the velvet one again first. So that is this one, 505 Sensual. Okay, so here is what it looks like on. I thought it would be a little darker when I actually swatched it out, but it actually looks like a classic nude to me. So I like it. I think it looks really good. This is work appropriate. It's comfortable. I would say it's not the mattest matte. A lot of my matte lipsticks, for instance, I like a lot from just MAC, go on truly matte. But this one is a little bit less of a classic matte, but overall it does look pretty velvety. And I would say it's very comfortable. All the velvet types of matte lipsticks dry me out a little bit, and I feel a little bit of a drying sensation when I have this on. But overall, I think it's very comfortable. It's supposed to be very long wearing as well, which is really nice. And these new reformulations have more floral extract, which is supposed to be more moisturizing, especially peony extract. They also have shea butter too, which is really nice for moisturization. So although this is matte, I think it's very comfortable. It's one of my more comfortable matte lipsticks, at least on first impression. So here's what this looks like on. Again, this is 505. All right, so let me go ahead and change this out. I'm gonna go ahead and change this to the satin finish so you guys can check that out too. Okay, so I'm moving on to the satin finish one. This is 720 in the classic Icon Rosewood shade. Let me go ahead and just throw this on for you. Okay, so here's what this looks like on. It's a little bit darker than the last one. Obviously, this is a true rosewood, a little bit darker tone. This again is a shiny formulation, so I will say it is more moisturizing than the matte, which is expected, I would say. But I don't think it's as shiny as I thought it was going to be, which is okay. I tend to slightly prefer more matte finishes anyway, but I don't think it's as drastic of a difference that I thought it was going to be comparing the velvet and the satin. So this is what this looks like on. This is in the Icon Rosewood shade in 720. But I think it's pretty too. I can wear this everywhere, no question. I think it's just a classic color and very comfortable. I will say moisturizing. I will do the true wear test and really put these two lipsticks to the test over the coming months, and hopefully do a follow-up video later on once I really get to test these out. I probably also want to pick up a couple more shades too and kind of see what I think about them. But these are the first two that I wanted to test out. So this one again is really nice too. First impressions of these lipsticks are that I think that the packaging, A+, I think it's excellent. They are really sleek, luxurious, really high quality, and I love that they're refillable. So I love the packaging. The formulation is also really nice. I think overall they're pretty moisturizing, even the velvet finish. There's not as much of a contrast between the satin and velvet in my opinion, and the velvet's not like 100% true of a matte look. So if you're going for that, I would say there are probably other formulations that might be better for a true matte, but I really like both. I'm excited to play around with these and try out different shades as well. If you own these, let me know what you guys think. Do you think that this is a nice revamp? I think so. I have samples of the previous formulation, which I also liked it, but I do like the newer formulation because it's a cleaner product, I would say, a lot more moisturizing features to the formulation, and there are just so many shades to pick from. So first impressions, yes, I definitely recommend these new lipsticks. Let me know down below what your favorite shades are as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.